Welcome! In this session, we will learn about the sticky attribute of grid. We can add that attribute here when we are calling grid like rows and columns. We can add that sticky here. So currently our window has four labels, label 1, 2, 3 and 4 as you can see on the screen. Now as you can see, these labels are completely filling the space of cell. So each and every cell in this grid has a widget, and that widget is completely covering the space of that particular cell. So sticky has no use in this case. So what I will do here, I will increase the inner padding of few widgets. Let's say widget 1, I will increase the padding here like iPad X is equals to 50 and iPad Y is equals to 50. So now its size will be bigger, and I can do the similar thing for label 4. I will do iPad X is equals to 50 and iPad Y is equals to 50 as well. So let's run this again and we will see. As you can see, label 1 and label 4 size is increased. Now you can notice on label 2 and 3 that they are not completely filling the space of cell. Now we can use sticky here. We can place them anywhere in this cell by using the sticky attribute. Now first of all, let's apply it on label 2. I will say sticky to north. For north I use capital N, and I will run it again and we will see where it goes. It should go to the north. As you can see, label 2 has placed its position on the north. Now I will change the label 3 position. So I will say, let's say sticky is equals to north west. Now it will move into that corner of northwest. Let's see. As you can see, it moved into the northwest of this cell. So by writing these positions here, we can move these widgets to any place of our choice where we want them to be. So they are very useful because cells can be of different sizes, so we can just change their position. Now I will just again change the position of label 2. I want it on the bottom right corner. So what I will do, I will say south east. So southeast will make it on the right bottom corner. So let's see. I will say here label 2 on south east, and let's see what it does here. Okay, as you can see, it went in the bottom right corner of that cell. So by changing these values, we can move these labels or widgets, any widget, to any place here. So let's look at another thing. As you can see, label 2 is not covering the complete space of the cell. So what we can do here is, if I do here, let's say I will remove this sticky here and I will say west plus east. So what it will do here, this plus sign, this will make the label expand from west to east in the complete cell. So let's see what it means. As you can see, label 2 has expand its width from west to east. So we can use these things as well to like expand these widgets. If I add here like west, east plus north plus south, now I mean that expand to every corner, expand to every complete cell. So let's see. As you can see, label 2 has expanded to complete cell. So we can use these things to have different. Now I will just expand label 3 from north to south and we will see the output. So expanding from north to south. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, from north to south, it has expanded completely. So these attributes are very useful when we are working on the geometry. And if we do not provide this sticky attribute here, let's say I do not provide it for label 3, on default, the widget is placed in the center of the cell. So let's see, I will run it again and we will see the output. As you can see, label 3 is placed in the center of the cell. So the default behavior is that the widget is placed in the center. But if we provide any sticky there, we want it to be stick to any place, we can provide that. So that's all from this session.